Alrighty, part 2 of my video. I ran out of time, I know. So I've got my equation, and wouldn't this be the triangle? So I need to move the 250. That's going to omit. You're going to bring 1/4 x down, and that's going to be 0, 50, 2, 1, 2. And then what's between the fourth and the x? You're right, a multiplication dot. How do you unmultiply fractions? How about just reciprocals? Omitting x equals. And so in other words, you're going to take this number times 4. So 212.50 times 4. And I got $850. And I hope I got it right. Probably. And question 17. Somebody has a coupon for $5 off, and these are the worst. Man, they got all kinds of things going on. Somebody has a coupon for $5 off. So I can tell you right now that's going to be minus 5. She decides to buy a shirt that was on sale for 3/4 the original price. After using the coupon, she only paid $19 for the shirt before taxes. What was the original price of the shirt? Now, the only good thing about this whole question is you don't have to do taxes also. You could have. So, would you agree if you took the shirt minus $5, that would just be the coupon? But she didn't actually pay for the shirt. She only paid for 3/4 of the shirt. So, 3/4, and I don't like to actually use S at all, so what? I'm going to use T for t-shirt. 3/4, I hate to, well, no, T's too good for total also. What letter do you want? I'm going to pick H. It's the second letter in t-shirt. So 3/4 of the t-shirt minus $5 because of a coupon, and she paid $19 for the shirt. Correct? So 3/4 of the shirt minus the $5 because of a coupon, and she only paid $19 total. And I used H for t-shirt because I didn't like S, and well, T's kind of used for total. So wouldn't that be your triangle? And I'm going to actually circle the H so you know what I'm doing. And it's off screen. How about that? When you do plus 5 plus 5, wouldn't that go away? Wouldn't there be an equal sign there? Wouldn't that be 24? And wouldn't that be 3/4 times the shirt equals 24? And wouldn't you have to multiply the reciprocal? You should be getting pretty used to that one. And that would omit, and you're left with the t-shirt equals. And it's 24 times 4 divided by 3. You know, and a while ago, we did some nice little factor trees, and it was sure helpful if you do that again. So, and while you're looking at it, so think in threes. 3 times what's 24? Well, 9 times 3 is 27, so 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. I'm going to bring the 4 with me, and then I got 1 times 3 on the bottom. I'm going to get rid of the 3's. The answer is 32. So that shirt was originally $32 before she got a coupon, before she only had to pay 3/4 of it. I know, just pay the regular price. And the back page. You asked me for question 20. So let's see. Somebody works for a local real estate company, earns a commission of 6% on each house she sells. What was the sales price of the last house she sold if she made a commission of $8,100? Everybody get all that? So she gets 6% of her sales equals her money. So that would be, and I'm going to just write, I guess, right here. So we're going to take commission, if I can spell it right. Commission times sales equals her money. Because that's how she's making her bills. So what was the percent? And this is a percent thing. 6%, right? So that's going to be 0.06. You just can't write 6%. It doesn't work that way. How much? What was the cost of this house that she sold for? What did she sell it for? I don't know. How about X times X? And do you know how much money her money was? She made $8,100. Not bad if you could do that every week. So the question is, what was the cost of the house when she made $8,100? That's a good question. So what's So isn't that 0.06x times x equals 8100? So this is your equation. That goes there. So couldn't this actually be 0.06x equals 8100? And what's between the 6 pennies and x? I'm multiplying. How do you unmultiply? Divide. Luckily that's 1, so you're left with x. So you need to divide that out. Yep, love that division. So, and that's Nendo, numerator in, denominator out. So 8100 divided by 0.06. Wouldn't that move twice? 1, 2. So the decimal's here, yes? And that one's going to move twice. Yeah, no, it's a big number. It was a big house. So 6 times what is 8? 1. Wouldn't that be 2 left over? Bring down your 1. 10. 6 times what's 21? 4 is 24, so how about 3? That's 18. 3 left over. Bring down that 0. 30. 6 times what's 30? 6 times 5 is 30, I think. And then this one's a 0, this one's a 0, and this one's a 0. I can prove that. Every entry needs an answer. That one's got a 0, a 0, 0. That 0 right there was the 5. The 1 was a 5, and that had a 1. So what is that number? 1, 2, 3, comma. So it's $135,000. So it's $135,000 house. And she made $8,000. Not too bad. Alrighty. I will see y'all tomorrow.